1. Press Windows plus D to minimize all windows and show the desktop. 2. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open the Task Manager instantly. 3. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. 4. Use Windows plus I to open the Windows Settings panel. 5. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to create a new folder instantly in File Explorer. 6. Use Alt plus Tab to quickly switch between open applications. 7. Use Windows plus G to open the Xbox Game Bar for screenshots and performance. 8. Press Windows plus P to switch between display modes for multiple monitors. 9. Press Windows plus S to quickly search for any file, app, or setting. 10. Use Windows plus Shift plus S to take a custom screenshot.